Welcome to ILMS Academy Daily News Hour, Top 10 Updates from the Legal World. 1. High Court allows same-sex couples to adopt children. The Kerala High Court has allowed same-sex couples to adopt children. The court's decision is a landmark ruling that will pave the way for more inclusive adoption laws in India. The court said that same-sex couples are entitled to the same rights as heterosexual couples, including the right to adopt children. The court's decision is a major victory for the LGBTQ+ community in India. 2. Go First receives insolvency coverage. Tribunal prohibits firing employees. The National Company Law Tribunal (NCLT) has granted insolvency coverage to Go First, a low-cost airline. The tribunal has also prohibited the airline from firing any employees until further orders. The NCLT's decision is a major relief for Go First, which was facing financial difficulties. The tribunal's decision will help Go First to continue its operations and to avoid bankruptcy. 3. Supreme Court to hear plea challenging ban on the Kerala Story. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear a plea challenging the ban on the Malayalam film The Kerala Story. The film was banned by the Kerala government on the grounds that it is objectionable and hurts the sentiments of the people of Kerala. The Supreme Court will hear the plea on May 18. 4. NEET Exam Center in Maharashtra asks female candidates to wear inside-out clothes. A NEET Exam Center in Maharashtra has asked female candidates to wear inside-out clothes. The center has cited security reasons for the dress code. The incident has sparked outrage, with many people calling it sexist and discriminatory. The center has since apologized for the incident. 5. Delhi court grants bail to ILMS News co-founder Mohammad Zubair in one of the two FIRs registered against him. A Delhi court has granted bail to ILMS News co-founder Mohammad Zubair in one of the two FIRs registered against him. Zubair was arrested on June 27 by the Delhi police for allegedly hurting religious sentiments through a tweet. The court said that there was no need to keep Zubair in custody and that he could be released on bail. 6. Bombay High Court refuses to quash FIR against Republic TV's Arnab Goswami in a 2020 abetment to suicide case. The Bombay High Court has refused to quash an FIR against Republic TV's Arnab Goswami in a 2020 abetment to suicide case. The court said that there was sufficient material on record to prima facie show that Goswami had abetted the suicide of a 53-year-old interior designer. The court also said that Goswami's plea was not maintainable as he had not challenged the FIR in the lower court. 7. Supreme Court to hear plea challenging constitutional validity of sedition law. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear a plea challenging the constitutional validity of the sedition law. The plea was filed by a group of activists and lawyers who argue that the law is vague and arbitrary and that it has been used to suppress dissent. The Supreme Court will hear the plea on July 18. 8. Supreme Court to hear plea challenging center's decision to extend President's rule in Maharashtra. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear a plea challenging the center's decision to extend President's rule in Maharashtra. The plea was filed by the Shiv Sena, which is one of the three parties in the Mahavikas Aghadi government. The Shiv Sena argues that the center's decision to extend President's rule was unconstitutional and that it was an attempt to topple the democratically elected government in Maharashtra. The Supreme Court will hear the plea on July 11. 9. Supreme Court to hear plea challenging center's decision to increase the age of marriage for women from 18 to 21 years. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear a plea challenging the center's decision to increase the age of marriage for women from 18 to 21 years. The plea was filed by a group of women's rights activists who argue that the decision is unconstitutional and that it will have a negative impact on the lives of women.